Whatever news was there, it is as per the syllabus, consolidated at one place in magazine. And yes, again it gives confidence that I read newspaper, I behave like an officer. It helps you to build reading stamina. It helps you to build vocabulary. Some of the smart people from you will be like कि जब monthly magazine से बाद में करना ही है, why to read newspaper? But so what is the answer to it is there are two things. One is reading newspaper, another is monthly magazine. Both are related to current affairs, but the purpose of both is different. Purpose of newspaper is that it helps you to gain knowledge, awareness about the issues. It helps you to build reading stamina. It helps you to build vocabulary. It helps you to articulate your argument and have different perspectives. It's not like single perspective you're getting different perspective. Let's say a health policy is coming, you will get both pros and cons of it, because some author will be writing pros, another author will be writing cons. So newspaper helps in understanding, it helps in analytical depth which is needed in your answers plus essay. It helps you build opinions which is necessary for your personality test and building personality, answer writing insights, and foremost it also helps in CSAT because reading comprehension comes, and it helps building reading stamina so that you can skim the information and quickly go to the answer, identify the correct answer. And yes, again it gives confidence that I read newspaper, I behave like an officer from now only because I regularly read newspaper. I'm aware about the happenings surrounding me. What is the function of magazines is? Magazine function is that you need to consolidate according to syllabus. Whatever news was there, it is as per the syllabus, consolidated at one place in magazine. So the role of magazine and newspaper is different. It helps in quick revision of prelims and mains and helps in static plus dynamic linkages. So whatsoever issues are happening in daily life are linked to static part. So it helps, so function of both are quite different. So reading newspaper regularly should become your habit. In foundation, in current affairs classes, everything will be integrated, consolidated and given to you for your prelims and mains preparation.